Problem 2. If a line makes an angle pi by 3 with each of the x and y axis, then the acute angle made by the z axis is. So we need to choose one of the four options which is shown on the screen. So we know that let alpha and beta be the angles made by the line with respect to the x and y axis, and that is pi by 3. So alpha equal to beta equal to pi by 3, and we need to find the value of gamma. So we know that the angles are related by the expression cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equals 1. And what is alpha and beta? It is equal to pi by 3. So therefore, cos square 60 degrees, pi by 3 60 plus cos square 60 plus cos square gamma equals 1. So we know that cos 60 is 1 by 2. So I have 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos square gamma equals 1. So this is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus cos square gamma equals 1. So this is 1 by 2 here. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 again. So I have cos square gamma equals 1 by 2. So what is cos gamma? It is 1 by root 2. Okay. So when you have cos gamma equals 1 by root 2. So cos theta equals 1 by root 2. So what is theta? Then theta is definitely pi by 4. Okay. Or here gamma equals pi by 4. So we find that the right option is D. Right? So to solve this problem, we need to remember this expression cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equals 1, and of course we need to remember that cos pi by 4 equals 1 by root 2. Okay, so very simple problem which is appeared in KCET 2020. Thanks for watching. Do keep a watch to get the solutions of all the other problems of KCET, and do like, share and subscribe.